couldn't be fitted on this truck because of the bull bar, rubber mats, safety triangles and UHF radio. My name's Michael Mates. I've been at Orix for over 21 years. I'm in operation executive for commercial vehicles. There's 1, 2 and 3 is what we count. So one hand, 1 foot straight up. I rollerblade to customers at the moment, speccing new vehicles, new trucks. That can come down to basic builds up to very complex builds. I liaise with the fleet manager, procurement manager, also come down to the end user, the driver, see what their requirements are, what application they're using. From there I deal with the suppliers and the OEMs, the dealerships, the truck manufacturers themselves, which I relay what I require to them, which insert, depending what they're doing on application, I'll get a body build spec done, I'll get a truck build spec done, and also get a weight distribution done on the truck for the application it is carrying. Again, drop down for access loading. Tie down rings are there for your tie down points. With our experience and knowledge and the amount of commercial vehicles we currently have out there and we have spec'd up previously, we're right across the top of what needs to be done and what needs to be spec'd for what application, amount of Ks and amount of years they're going to be used for. We don't want to have that truck going out there, going past its useful life, which will affect the client at the end of the day with downtime, repairs and issues with whatever's on the body. With the body itself, if there is problems with the truck and the body, our team get involved, take the issue away from the client, and we put the issue back on ourselves, and we'll go in there and we try and rectify that problem the best as possible. In here is your oxy bottles. No matter how complex the builds are and the requirements may be or the application may be, and the challenge that presents, we're always involved in that and love the challenge of doing that type of work. We'll always work around with the client, with the suppliers, with the dealers to find a vehicle that's fit for purpose for the need they require. If it's not going to work, sometimes people might say, look, we can do it, but should we do it? We'll go down that track too. Look, it can be done, but this is the pitfalls and these are the issues you're going to find if you decide to go down that track. How about we look at this scenario and we'll go down this and see if that'll work for you. So we'll try different ways and we'll work. Hardest challenge is they currently haven't got a vehicle that does that type of job at the moment. We'll hop in there and help the client as much as we can, working alongside our suppliers and OEMs.